I've been having troubles training my dog when we get on the trails. I have a solution. And guys, this is what I'm calling, to train a dog, you must become a dog. Okay, to basically train your dog how to be on the trail, you show your dog how they are on the trail.
Hush. Hush. Leave it.
Now, did my dog learn anything out of that? Probably not. If anything, I probably taught her to be more worse than what she is.
Taught her that you're crazy.
Can you believe your damn husband just got down on the ground and acted like a darn dog?
Yeah. You're part dog anyway.
That is true. Sometimes I worry about myself, guys. Don't try what I did, but it was worth a shot. Oh my God. That was fun.